This is Unit 7.3, More Multiplication Properties of Exponents. Problem 3, the Got It on page 435. What is the simplified form of each expression? Okay, the exponent on the outside, so A says 7m to the ninth, all of that is in parentheses, raised to the third power. That means that third power goes with everything in the parentheses, including the coefficient. So that becomes 7 to the third power, and then the m to the ninth is also raised to the third power, so that's 9 times 3, which gives us 7 to the third, m to the 27th, and 7 to the third is 343. So whenever you have an exponent outside the parentheses, it not only goes with just those parentheses, but it has to go with everything inside the parentheses. So B says 2z in parentheses raised to the -4. That -4 has to go to both the z and the 2. The negative, if you remember, moves it to the denominator. We put 1 over 2 and 1 over z, or just do it together. And then 2 to the 4th power is 16. I have the 16z to the 4th in parentheses so that whoever's reading this, you can see that that whole thing is supposed to be in the denominator. It's 1 over all of that. If I didn't have the parentheses there, someone might question whether the z to the 4th should be in the denominator or not. Part C says 3g to the 4th in parentheses raised to the -2. Again, that -2 is going to go with both pieces. So the -2 goes to the 3, and the -2 goes to the g to the 4th. So 4 times -2 would be -8. Again, since they're both negative, they have to move to the denominator. 1 over 3 squared g to the 8th, and 3 squared is 9. And again, I've kept them in parentheses so that we know that whole thing is the denominator.